Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning about the what is SAP like. We'll be going through the brief introduction of SAP and most probably about the SAP ABAP programming language. Yeah. So what do you mean by SAP? What is SAP? So SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Productive Data Processing. It's an acronym for SAP, and it's basically uh, a software which is used for developing ERP solutions across the company. So it's a basically very powerful uh, tool. So as you can see over here, like SAP has evolved a lot through this many years. Like it started with uh, R1 R1 version in 1972. Then the R2 version came in 1979. Then R3 client-server architecture came in 1992. Then MySAP came in 2000. Along the way, with then OOPS concept came. Uh, Service-oriented architecture came in 2004. Then in 2011, in memory computing, SAP HANA was introduced as a part of the SAP evolution. Then all the way now, the latest version is SAP S/4HANA, which came into existence since 2015. So this gives the brief history of the evaluation of SAP. So like uh, if you want to develop something like if you want to develop if you want to do the programming in SAP, then the language that is used is called ABAP. ABAP. The full form of ABAP is Advanced Business Application Programming Language. So it's a high level language. So now who want to if you want to if you're from the programming background, yeah, or if you're not from the programming background, then also you can go for this web language. So it's basically whatever software that you develop like in .NET. If you develop some front end tools, some websites, you can use programming language like .NET and all. Java also you can use. So likewise, if you want to develop some software in SAP, the ABAP language is used. So yeah, so why you want to go for SAP ABAP? So there are various reasons why wherein you can use ABAP. Like SAP ABAP is used by developer to develop the SAP R3 platform. As I have already explained you, like SAP is used ABAP is used for developing the SAP's ERP software. So it's a very simple language programming, not a rocket science. Uh, Also, it allows you to choose a procedural as well as object-oriented programming methodology. So I will explain you in detail in the coming lessons, like what do you mean by procedural and what do you mean by object-oriented programming. Yeah. So history, I've already explained you like what was the history of SAP software. So likewise, ABAP also went through a lot of evolution over these years. Uh, in 1980s, was developed like a fourth generation language. Then it gradually evolved. ABAP objects came in the year 1999. Then all the way OpenSQL expressions came in 2015. So all these were the evolution of SAP ABAP. Then I'll just explain you a brief about the SAP architecture. So as you can see from this picture here, so uh, SAP R3 architecture means what? There are three layers uh, in the within the SAP architecture. The first one that is visible to the user is the presentation layer. Whatever screen that you see, those screens is a part of presentation layer that is visible to the user. So likewise, uh, whatever programming, the coding that you do, that is a part of the application layer where the actual processing happens. And whatever data that is stored is a part of database layer. So these are the three architectures of the SAP. That's why we call SAP R3. SAP R3. Yeah. So like as you can see, all the ABAP programs are stored in the SAP database. Whatever smallest thing that you see in the SAP screens are all stored in the form of SAP database. In the SAP database. So there are different types of ABAP programs, uh, executable and non-executable. In the executable programs, there are two types of executable programs like reports and module pool. And non-executable programs, the list is include subroutines, function groups, object class, and interface type tools. I will explain you in detail what do you mean by executable and non-executable uh, in the coming lessons. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Hope you like my videos. If you like, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.